Good morning. Welcome in, everybody. Why is my NASDAQ not showing me nothing right now? Is Topstep being weird? There she goes. She back. All right, let's get everything set up here. Risk $300. Profit $1,500. Take it down. Apply that. Copy this. These ones, Alita. All right. Looks like we're chilling. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. First one in here. How you doing this morning? Happy Thursday. Let's make some monies. Sadly, back to these combines now. Got to do one thing real quick. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King Pablo. How we doing, everybody? Good morning, kings and queens. Just sending this out real quick. NASDAQ crushing. Santana Marino, good morning, brother. Welcome in, King. Stoked to have you, bro. Dun, dun, dun. Market opening up at these highs again. Yesterday, wild. And then getting that sideways action overnight. Opening up in 25,490s in the NASDAQ. New all-time. New all-time. All we had to do yesterday was buy. And we struggled to do that. So, it's my worst days. I'm so bad at One Direction days. I'm starting with you as well, LOL. Got my account. Hell yeah, Pablo. Let's go, Ken. We're going to pass these. Half pass today. Finish passing Friday. And then next week, King, making some monies. What do we have today? We had a little bit of bank conferences. Absolute sideways price action at these all-time highs. I'm just kind of can't fade this. Kind of anticipating maybe a little dip into like previous ATH or something maybe, and then like a continuation play. Maybe sweep of these lows. Maybe just push outward at the beginning. Hopefully, yes sir, Ken. Nothing's guaranteed, but we're gonna put our best effort in. Let's focus today, everyone, and get it done. I love it. Let's get it, Danny. Real quick, real focus like. I do got to get out of here like 20, 30 minutes early today, so going to be dialed in, patient. Morning, brother. What's up, Alexander? Good morning, King. Welcome in here. Good luck on this fine Thursday. Let's see how this NASDAQ's treating us. See if we can get some opportunity to make some dineros. Morning, peeps. There's the sauce. What's up, brother? Tap in for a wild consolidation. Come on open. Give us a cannon shot up or down. We day traders do not care. We do not care. Love it, Corey. Just looking for the big move up or down. I'm thinking that we're all opening these all-time highs. Kind of feeling like we can't fade the longs, but I just want to find a nice fill price to the upside maybe. We might also just auction in the previous day range. So let's find out. A little bit of opening print candle here. Finding some selling underneath the VWAP. Finding some selling underneath the VWAP at the moment. Like I said, I don't feel like we can really fade these. Not going to do 5 contracts anymore. I like that discipline, Pablo. It's not the way, bro. Morning, Mad Max. Good morning, King. Not the way, Pablo. We got to be disciplined. We got to be small leverage. Find the opportunities where it makes sense, where we have our best chance of success here. Not trying to give any free donations away. What's good, work? Good morning, King. The man's is here. Love it, love it. How'd you do today? There's no way you took any trades on this, right? Maybe gold or something work? Or you just hanging out vibing, brother? NASDAQ opening up at this VWAP. We got a little bit of selling. Like I said, most of this consolidation tight range in the overnight session doesn't really offer a whole lot, except maybe some continuation to the upside. So we'll see. We will take a gander. Try to set ourselves up in the best way that we can. Right now, not a lot going on. Opening print candle being about 20 points, and we're still stuck inside that same 20 points. So, complete patience from us so far. We're going to be chilling. Hope everybody's having a stellar Thursday. Had a good night last night. Ate some good food, feeling better. Got some good rest. Hope everybody's chilling. I'm like hyperventilating, thinking about trading right now. Deep breaths, King. You got this, Pablo. Good morning, Matrix. Fuck yeah. What's up, King? Let's make some money today. Make some monies today. 20-point range so far. Opening print candle. We haven't gone anywhere. Still going sideways underneath this VWAP. Yeah, that's what we got. I'm thinking maybe continuation longs. It's kind of hard to fade the pressure that we're having, but it is near the end of the week. We just had a strong rally yesterday. We might have a little bit of correction / slight pullback on the higher time frame, and then maybe find some continuation tomorrow. We'll see what we get, though. Good morning, Brandon. Welcome in, King. Let's go. Let's make on that money. Look at this hourly chart, y'all. Pretty gross to me. Down, right, up. Just a complete box here. Complete box in the NASDAQ. Took out the all-time highs, and we're going sideways again at the ATH. So, gonna let the market tell us what it wants to do. Gonna let the market tell us what it wants. Hope everybody's feeling great, though. Mindsets are in the right spot. Even if we take a losing trade, that doesn't define us. Let's get this money. Good morning, everyone. Hell yeah, TLR. Good morning, King. Amen. Let's go. Squad is here. My AirPod's about to die, and I'm in the office. I'll catch y'all tomorrow and see you soon, Ty. Hey, take it easy, Saucy. See you soon, Bubba. Going golfing with that man. He booked an early tee time, so I will be getting out of here a little bit early, probably like 20, 30 minutes early today, just to show up on time for the tee time. Probably one of our last golfing sessions of the year. Let's get it. But let's see first how this NASDAQ's trading us. Selling underneath this VWAP. Looks like we couldn't get through there with the buying pressure. Very tight range, guys. Nothing I really even want to mess with. This is 20, 30 points right now. Incredibly tight. From VWAP to price right now is 330 points. You're the King Caesar and Eli. Let's go. Welcome in, Kings. Stoked to have y'all here. Right now, the NASDAQ pushed up overnight. Went sideways overnight after that rally we had yesterday. Now we're just kind of hanging out. Let's see what we can get. Short from 325 to 275. Now break even after plus 24. Let's fucking go, Amin. Great trading, King. Let's go, brother. Short from the 325s is a good fill. We'll see if we can get a push through this overnight low. London low. I think we could tap into previous all-time H. So those 276s I think could be at least auctioned, but we'll see. Or we hold this double bottom perfectly and find some more pressure. Like I said, it's kind of hard to want to fade the longs. The bulls have been showing their strength for a while now, right? So our best job, our only job really, is to just get ourselves the best chance to maybe join them, join the momentum. This is looking a little sideways right now, so we're going to be patient. But overall, these bulls, let's just take a gander. Look at the strength. Oh my word. It's a vertical chart here. Just continuing to set new and new prices to the upside. So, yeah, how do you fade that? I don't think you can. I don't think we can. I just don't. Buyers are showing themselves, and they like higher prices. No, but really, though, if we do get a little bit of a pullback, I would kind of want to find a bid around these 269s, 270s. If we do keep pulling into here, sell below this London low, I would kind of take a bid at these 270s, see if we can get a little move. Why I'm on that BS early, Eli. She's treating you a little personal right now. I feel you, King. What's gold doing? Let's take a quick gander while we're waiting for this NASDAQ to do something. This is a very sideways, still boring chart right now. Not a whole lot going on. So let's be patient. Oh, look, I'm still on my MNQ too. Let's change that. And no, thank you. NQ, please. Thank you very much. NQ, please. My NQ, please. King Noah. Good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Stoked you're back. Hell yeah. Let's have a good Thursday. Secured partials, my brother. Hey, good trading. Good trading, King. I had a hand cone to stop myself from trading 5 cons with a 2 TP. Yeah, you do need a hand cone. It's hilarious, dude. It's actually hilarious. Gold looks like it has a little chance to keep pulling down a little bit into this range and continue the upside. Gold trading above 4,000. Excuse me. Sorry about that, y'all. Gold above 4,000 is wild. And now we're in the NASDAQ. Like I said, some pretty sideways price action after pushing through that range. Starting to defend this London bottom a little bit. See what the pressure is going to give us. Maybe we get back above VWAP. Overall, I'm not really looking incredibly to the upside. Like I said, we can't fade bear longs, but we have a chance also of corrections kind of nearing the end of the week. So maybe we have a higher time frame pullback. We could keep extending higher, but I don't think necessarily extension is in lock. But we'll see. We'll see. King Noah grabbing a nice little trade, little partials. Pablo's trying not to fucking full port with 5 cons. No cons, no full ports. Come on, Pablo. We're better than this. It does look like a big bull flag. I agree. In the higher time frame, big bull flag. Nice little trend line as well here that's kind of forming that we could maybe keep an eye on if we start breaking. This pressure here. High time frame bull flag. I still think there's a little bit of depth that needs to be reached for it to play out, Danny. I don't think we exactly have the flag yet, but we'll see. Whoop, whoop. You have a good morning, bro? Hell yeah, King. Feeling great. Had a nice little rest. Played some pool yesterday with my league. Our team won. Got home a little bit later. Got some sleep. Feel great. Got a tea time with the boys here. Probably one of our last golf sessions of the year. It's going to be a little chilly today, but going to be getting it in. So I'm going to be leaving here a little bit early as well, but feeling great today. Let's have a great Thursday. Yeah, probably some gap fills first. That's what I'm hoping for, Danny. And like I said, maybe the 70s. I wouldn't really mind a bid at the 70s. I think we're going to slowly auction. Right now, like our range is pretty tight. Opening print candle giving us the 327s into the 290s. Like we're literally just 30 points trading right now. So Tyler's top step chart included all trading view indicators. I think so, Amin. I'm not exactly sure if they're all here, brother, but I think so. Or maybe not, because this is all they actually have. So, I don't know, just a little list. From zigzag up to moving average, acceleration oscillator. So, a decent amount. I'm not sure if those are all the ones, but they have plenty, I think. Hell yeah, Noah. How about you, King? How's your morning treating you? You already took some money. You already made some money on this Thursday, so it can't be bad. Cannot be bad. We got one more day for the weekend. Let's see what we can do here. Let's end the week on a nice positive note. We got fucking opportunities forever. Always have the chances to make some monies. The NASDAQ, even though she's personal sometimes, also very giving. No. I talk about people indicators. Can I show you one? Tyler's top step chart included all trading view indicators. People indicators. Can I show you one? Okay. Yeah, absolutely, King. So, yeah, you mean indicators that people add? They can, like, add their own? Yeah, we don't have those. I think Top Step's limited there, but absolutely show us, Amin. I might not trade tomorrow, so I don't give none back to the markets. That's discipline right there. If it's only if you see really good setups. Right now, like, you already locked in some money for the day, so I'd be chilling. This market right now is looking a little bit stagnant. Definitely not looking to see to make a move in this early morning. Might be waiting for lunch or something, but the market looks very chill right now, family. It's been open for 10 minutes. We're getting close to our first 15-minute range, and it's very tight. So far, about 30, 35 points in the whole 15 minutes. So very gross. Still trading like overnight, really. Let's see what we can get here, Nazi. Nazarax. Let's see what we can get. It's still kind of trading like overnight right now. A 30-point range in the first 10 minutes is pretty crazy. This type this on TradingView. Psychological levels. Yukuta Labs. I won't right now, Amin, just because we're doing that. Actually, whatever. Let's see. Let's see if we can do here. You gotta pay just to use TradingView. That's terrible. You guys are weird. Make trading free. Make trading free. Full chart. Indicators. What'd you say it is? Psychological levels. Really? Are we talking about some magic here? Gucci Labs. Why didn't it? I don't know if it's gonna add because I don't have the paid version, buddy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now, Amin, but I appreciate it, King. Just wanting us to pay. They're putting pay levels, pay walls, or terrible, or sign up levels, whatever. Got the devil whispering in my ear, lol. Delete that EMA and volume indicators. They're to show. I will later, Amy. But what is it? Just showing the level? Actually, man, I do want to know. All right, you got me again, King. You got me again, King. So hard to type with just one hand when you're off the cart like that. Jeez, get in there. Get us in here. I just want to see it. Markets, NASDAQ. See on super charts. Indicators. Take this one off so I have a chance. Volume. Delete that. Indicators. Psychological. Levels. The Yucata Labs. The one our boy said is good. Yeah, it won't let me add it, bro. Sorry. We'll focus on that another time. TP hit. Let's go. Nice short there, Amy. We finally did find some selling into these 70s now where we had that previous all-time high spot. I want to see if we can find a reaction here. I wouldn't mind finding a little bit of a move onto the upside. Our first 15 minutes are getting close to getting locked. Here, what we're looking at. Here's what we're looking at for our first 15 minutes. Are we going to find a reaction at this previous ATH? Is 270s here? Are we going to keep finding some more sell side? Personally, I think maybe this, I mean, I don't know. It's a beautiful little dip that kind of completed that that bear flag, that bull flag, Danny. This is the last little push to the downside I wanted to see. From here, it's like, where do we start to look at? Maybe the market wants to try to push up. TP hit. Love it, Amy. Good trading, King. Good morning, guys. Let's start over here. Late start over here. No worries, Jared. Good morning, King. Only a couple minutes. The market has done absolutely nothing. Until the last 2-minute candles, we've literally stuck inside of a 30-point range. It opened up a little bit now. It's about 50 points. But still very tight. Still a very tight range. So far, we've only seen 50 points in the NASDAQ. First 15 minutes are in. We're tapping into previous ATH, previous day high. Or not technically PDH, but Wednesday's high, Tuesday's high, sorry. That was the previous all-time before yesterday took it out. Now we're trying to find some buyers here at these 60s, 70s. Not a lot, guys. I'm not seeing a whole lot right now. I still think overall higher time frame, we're going to be setting up for some continuation to the upside. But today, right now, do we get that range extension? I don't know if it's exactly in play right now. Maybe you will see some buyers in the zone, 260 to 240s. That's what I'm thinking too, Amin. Possibly in this area of this consolidation. Pull back into these ranges. You could find some attraction from the bids. But right now, selling into the 269s underneath the EMA, trying to see if we can push outside the 15-minute range. Let's see what we can do here. Market is very still right now, guys. Very still. Here we go. Starting to get a little bit of momentum now. Windows 10 support end soon. No. Pushing through the bottom of the range at these 550s now, or the 255s. Let's see what we got here. NASDAQ wants it. It's trying to break lower. Very, very slow price action, guys. Opening print candle bringing us from the 330s. You know, we're only 60 points from there right now. Just hanging out. I can see this going down another 100 points. Lots of single prints on the TPO chart. How we get there, I have no idea. I love it, Jared. That indicator shows this things. Reversal zones, continuation zones based on price levels. I'm definitely going to check it out, Amin. I appreciate you letting us know. I got to get through. I got to sign up or whatever. And just don't want to do that right now on stream. Want to try to find some setups. Try to get paid. But that sounds cool. I mean, that sounds like the same TPO type of thing Jared's talking about. I also like the downside here. Maybe the previous day VWAP at the 211s. How we get there, like he said. That's the mystery. That's what we're all trying to figure out. EMA still curling down pretty aggressively. I think any pullback in towards these ranges, I'd like a short. I think as of right now, I'd like a short into any of these pullbacks. Excuse me. I have a sell order at the 295s right now. It's going to be hard to get $1,500 with just one contract today. The market is slow. Very slow right now. Going sideways, seeming like we're struggling to find some bids here at the bottom of the 15-minute range. We did sweep out and push back in, so I wouldn't mind a fill back at the 50% of these 295s right now. VWAP still curling down as well. Technically looking for a bid at this level, but probably going to look a little bit lower just to make sure we get a fill. Something like that I'm looking at. Here comes an EMA touch. Let's see if we can get some pressure, or is this going to be the first sign? Are we going to get some momentum? Fed Powell spoke briefly this morning too. He didn't say none for real though. Must have been quiet because this market is sideways. Not a lot going on. All-time highs. People are still like, oh, are we going to continue higher? I don't know. Crypto, printing, markets, printing, gold, printing. Money just seems to be coming out of the walls. I'm going to wait for the 20 touch. I like that. I like that patience there, Jared. I'm looking for a fill right now around the 294. Says 375. It's a little bit little low. I want to see somewhere in these here get an auction. Shorting the 50% of the pullback of the 15-minute range. Potentially still looking for the downside here, depending on the reaction. VWAP is above. Let's be patient. See what we can do. Must hold to 75 and don't break 300. There are more buyers. Yep. I agree. That's why we're going to take a trade at the 293s. See if we can find some defense from our selling friends. Getting touched in here now. Love it. We're now short. We're now short with our friends. Want to see a reaction back at this 50% range here. Part of me really wants to have this above this VWAP. I feel like VWAP is going to be fairly safe right now. So we're going to take a look at it. Shorts look promising too. Tap back into higher time frame. Fair value gap. I like that, King. Let's see what happens. Sahab, good morning, King. Let's go. Stoked you're here, brother. I'm in too. Let's see it, Jared. See if the Nasdaq's got us today. Pulling back into the bottom of this range. Trying to defend this 50%. I got stops above the VWAP at the moment. I want to see our friends, our big old sellers, get defensive here. Buying volumes trying to pick up through the bottom of the range. How we doing this morning, Saab? How we feeling, King? We got a little bit of an early day here. Just because I have one more probably final tea time of the year. Sauce booked it a little bit early, but I don't mind it. It's also chilly today. Why we are getting reduced in our time. Good morning, IRZRS. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, brother. Let's see how we're doing today. NASDAQ kind of trickling right now. Going on nowheres. I like the defense so far to 50%. Buyers are getting above it, but it looks stubborn. Sellers are trying. Overall, like where we're at so far. Huge fudge. Hit my DLL. Minus 327. No worries, King. That's a small little gain. Cut in the game. Find the next opportunity. Started good today, but I learned from my mistakes today slowly. Hey, that's effort. We love learning from our mistakes. Starting slow is okay. That reversal zone act good. At the 70s, it did, I mean. Here comes the VWAP. I have my candle slightly above it. Wanting to see our sellers defend these lines, these prices. The excessive buying here is, I don't know if I necessarily believe it. I feel like I'm going to get wicked out of this. So I'm actually going to set this above this 15-minute range. I'm setting this above this 15-minute range. I want to see this VWAP act here. Come on, VWAP. Show me something. Show me some magic here, VWAP skis. Decent little reaction. This is going to be back above the VWAP now. Starting to get some sells to fill their bids. NQ break 300, not look good. Did Hick wick you again and not go down like always, LOL. I know. It was very close, I mean. Let's go, Naz. Woo! Daddy's back. Calls in. He back. Let's go. Saucy. Good morning. Woo! Woo! I'm going to be looking for a second contract fill back around these 50% one more time. Looking for a second contract fill back around where we got in our first contract, roughly. Let's see what we can do here. Still looking for some sell side. Right now, the VWAP did give us a bit of defense. That's what we were hoping for. There's 42 beautiful souls here watching. If you guys are not yet, make sure you just hit that little thumbs up, that little like button. Helps the stream a ton. Let's see if we can get this NASDAQ moving down. I'm looking for a second contract fill back around our original entry at the 293s right now. Almost getting a tap and go right there. Selling pressure did just come in at the VWAP pretty nicely. Let's see what we can get now for some continuation. I want a second contract fill. Must break 75 down first, then add king. I like that, Amin. We're starting to find the direction. I think at this moment now, we'd have to kind of just see a sweep at the bottom of the range. Sweep of these 250s and I'll add a second contract just off the bid. Just off the bid if we get a second pull here. Selling volume's picking up a little bit. See if the pressure is going to be enough to bring us through or the buyer's going to react. That's what we got to find out. That's what we got to be gandering here. Past 2 evals using YM only. That's king talk right there, Eli. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Good work. This is a beautiful trade. Thanks, Noah. We're not out of the woods yet, King. We got to still see some continuation from our big old sellers. See some continuation from our friends. We're not out of the woods yet. If we get a closure below these 50s, I'll add a second contract. Looking for a second contract currently back in around our fill price, but we're going to be patient. 72.5% win rate, 29 W's, 11 losses. Eli, let's go, King. Fucking amazing trading, bro. Really good shit, man. Here we go. Sellers trying to push through the bottom of the range. Let's see if we can get a closure. Closure below the 50s, I'll add a second contract. Targeting still the same levels. LOL, copied your entry and almost hit DLL, but now I'm up 1.2K. Let's go. Let's go, P. Let's go, King. 67.35 in ES is equilibrium and consequent encroachment. It still corrects well too, Naz. Well, ES, I'm hoping you can break through there. We're looking for some downside continuation. I want to see a break and closure below the 15-minute range. I'll add a second contract. As of right now, we're chilling. Yeah, but if you're watching and you're not subscribed, join this family. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs, and if you're not haven't hit the like button yet today, what are you doing? Hit that like button. Give this NASDAQ the energy to get through the selling pressure here. Really don't want to see too many wicks. We can see the decompressed selling volume coming into the range. I want to see this get a little bit heavy here. I want to see some weight come in and cut through these 55s. Gonna watch the reaction. Here we go. Starting to get the pressure now. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a wick, as in buyers are being bid. I'm looking for 225. I think it could go a bit deeper, though. I like 25. I'm currently at the 18s. Currently at the 18. I'm going to be patient, though. I'm still looking for a second contract fill, possibly. We are defending these 50s again. Buyers stepping back in, back to the EMA now. Let's see the reaction. Big blacks, no wicks. Y'all know the rules. Come on, Eli. Give us those big blacks. No wicks. I would have been up, but I accidentally put a personal lockout at 300. This is BS. Hey, it's all right, King. It's a mindset game. You got this. Good trading that you found the spot, though. Market is going to provide a million opportunities. We don't need to catch every single one of them. And we don't even need to be right all the time. We just need to make more than we lose. Only Drakes. Calls in already. No worries here. No worries, Sauce says. Realistically, though, the fact that we did get decompressed selling volume into the bottom of the range, we swept through, and now we're finding bids again. It's not exactly the best thing for the shorts. Just like this. Kind of a little interesting, actually. I'm going to take a second. I still like our second contract fill. I'm still looking for the 50%. I don't necessarily love how much resistance we just found at the bottom of that range, but let's see what happens. Buyers responded decently there. It didn't take much volume for them to find higher prices either. They're back inside the 15-minute range. Got to monitor this the best we can. Take the sell order off. We don't need 2 contracts now. I'm back. I'm above VWAP with our stop right now. Still the same trade. Just trying to manage this. Yo, y'all catch them juicy shorts. I caught a bit of it. Just a bit of it, Sob. Not quite enough. There's a solid zone. Yeah, I agree. I mean, these 50s are decently responding pretty well here. Back towards this 50%. It's now 9:58. Market's been open for about 30 minutes. Let's see if we can get this continuation. Just finished passing another set of combines to have on the side if I blow these XFAs. But good news is I took your advice and took a payout. Hit my bank yesterday. Congratulations, newbie. Dude, hell yeah, King. Great trade. And pat yourself down, brother. That's a W. You just paid yourself. Proud of you, King. NASDAQ pulling back towards our entry price right now. Back towards this 50%. Want to see some continuation selling from these 300 whole number. Want to see the shorts to keep defending this price. Not really a fan of the rejection back at the 15-minute bottom. 15-minute range, we found the support, pushed out of it, got a reshort at the VWAP, and then the sellers weren't able to really take it down. Buyers responded pretty well, so let's see what happens. Break even for me, good luck, Ty. I love it, Jared. I think break even is not a bad play at this point. Truly. I don't think break even's a bad spot at this point at all. You let that Nas retrace on you? Hey, she's got a mind of her own, Eli. You know what I mean? I'm so close to funded, making me a bit nervous. Very natural, brother. Deep breaths. You got this shit, King. Now try to make equal high and lows. Ranging. If do that, I will wait out of the range plus break at 25 points price. Then surf with it. I love it. I know what you're talking about, Amy. See the range break, take a 25 level, boom. Hey there, I was wondering, are you in need of any editor? Mostly shorts. Deity, appreciate it. Kind of. I haven't been able to upload as much shorts as I've been wanting to. And if you could, like, you know, break up the stream into a short or two every day, that'd be awesome. I don't know, DM me maybe. We could figure out a pricing that makes sense for us. That'd be pretty cool. I appreciate it. Drake candle, big blacks, no wicks. Come on. Big black, no wicks. Show me the money. I like the defense back at our original entry price. Sellers did get defensive. Still looking for the continuation. We're not out of the woods yet. Still wicking at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Isn't ideal to see here. I want to see this close heavy. That had the chance to be a Drake candle, but it's starting to wick a little bit. Don't want to see the wicks. Where can I DM you so I can show you my recent works? Get at me on Instagram, Deity. It is Tyler Cam, same as my YouTube on username. It's a little bit more fitness based, but yeah, get on me there, DM me, show me some stuff. We can maybe find an agreement. I do need more shorts. I've been trying to do it myself. It's just tough. I'm busy. Haven't posted a short in a while, family. Sad. Sad. I didn't even get to post a short. I haven't posted anything since we took that like $45,000 payouts. Haven't posted shit. Not helping. I'm not helping us grow at all, family. I'm just not. But you know what? I don't even care. We got this. We got the squad here that matters, and we're all doing our best, trying to get better at this game. Looking for the continuation right now to the sell side. I want to see this bottom break. I don't like this previous wick. If we can't struggle, I'm putting break even on now. If we can't get below this 15-minute range, then this trade is going to probably reverse. We got to start seeing some weight here from the blacks. Crazy gold sell-off too. I like that. I like that, Sab. W information there. Gold's moving down. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to follow. Gold just hit 4,000 for the first time, so it's kind of expected. A little bit of a retracement. Again, decompress selling into a level here. I want to see this start getting heavy. Really got to see this break through this bottom now. Come on, Nazi. Show me the thing here. Through the bottom of the 50-minute range could be pretty nice. We get a closure there. I'm going to add a contract. Probably won't even need it, but I'm still going to do it. Might need it. 18 level feels a little bit deep. So to ensure that, we're going to add another, but maybe not if we keep wicking through this price. I want to see some weight here. Nazarunian Biscuits playing games at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Lots of wick spots. This is a decent buy zone where the buyers have been responsive pretty quickly here. The lack of continuation is its own thing, though. So let's see if we can get these sellers to finally step up. Hey, I sent you a message. Hell yeah. Appreciate it, deity. I'll check that out after stream. See what we can do here, NASDAQ. Can we get through that bottom of the range? Again, decompressed selling volume. We're stuck below the EMA, but it doesn't take much for the buyers to get excited at this spot. Kindly check. Yes, sir. I will after stream. Let's see what happens here right now as the NASDAQ is seeming to still find some bottom pressure at the bottom of this 15-minute range. Back into the EMA here. Finding acceptance here will definitely keep pushing us to higher prices. Finding acceptance here will definitely push us out of this trade most likely if we do accept the bottom of this range. Otherwise, the sellers are going to be defensive, stop us at the EMA, keep price pressure down, and we'll find some more selling. But excuse me. As of right now, it's looking to be a little bit of an acceptance back at these 60, 70s. Here comes the EMA. Buyers reclaimed it. Got to see a defense from our friends. Big black, no wicks. Come on. Big black, no wicks. Stop at break even is smart. I have to now, Noah. We had to put the we had to manage this trade. We didn't get the continuation that we wanted, so we got to break even or a profit. Let's see which one gets hit. NASDAQ cooking now. More equal lows and equal in highs. LOL. Yeah, she's trapping right now. She's starting to trap right now. She's starting to do that thing where she'll push you on one side, make you expect it, and then push the other way. It's weird because even where my break even is on, I kind of want to have that be a considered second entry as well. Nice. Look at the reaction here from our sellers. Ate that up, that looks like. Let's see if we can get the continuation to the downside here. We're going to find some more bids. A or B? Can we find some downside, or are we going to find some more bids? I'd rather find some bids here. Dre, give us the big black no wicks. Come on. I need that. All right, I'm going to head out. Get that paper. Get the munion. Appreciate you, Eli. Good trading today, King. See you tomorrow, brother. See you tomorrow, King. Appreciate you for stopping in here. Let's see this NASDAQ result here for us. Keep the compression here back at the EMA. Ideally, we get a closure back below and start finding some short pressure. We're going sideways right now at the bottom of the range. It isn't really beautiful to see. Sideways pressure isn't great here. I have a feeling we're going to get stopped out before the continuation of the downside. I have a bad feeling that we're going to get a bit of a stop out before the continuation. You know what I mean? We're going to take a gander. Maintaining the EMA is unideal. We want to see the sellers really get defensive here. Push us back below that price so we can threaten the bottom of the 15-minute range again. Otherwise, we have a good chance of getting a break even here. Which is kind of upsetting because I don't believe the actual pressure of it. I might even move our break even up a little bit. But we have to manage this trade accordingly. Come on, sellers. I can see that you want to. I can, but I can also see the bids are accepting this price as well. So it's what they call a balanced price. We are at a balanced price. Part of me really does want to move my stop loss up a bit. I have a feeling that we're going to come get a wick and go here. And I want to be a part of the go, so... Problem is we did defend the bottom of the range twice here, so For all intents and purposes, we just can't, even though I really, truly do want to. Now, only wait if break 250 down or break 325. I like that, Amin. I'm really hoping the 250 to the downside. We got to see that bottom break. But no. Stubborn ass buying. Super stubborn buying. Look at the pressure. I think we're going to get break even here, y'all. Stopped out of this trade. Got to try to find another one possibly. Buying is looking stubborn here at the bottom of the range. I don't see a reason we wouldn't go take, or at least try that high. Selling pressure's trying, but bids are just getting filled. Right back to the EMA. Went sideways. Ideally, you get a closure through the EMA from the sellers here. Anything reacting to the EMA is pretty bullish. We got to get a cut through here. Got to get a closure. Don't want to see any wicks. Big blacks, no wicks here. Y'all know the rules. Nasdaq's threatening the bottom of the range again here. Let's see if we actually get some continuation for the first time. Into the 60s. We got to try to break through these 50s. Not a bad little move. Don't want to see any wicks here, though. Want to see this close and get strong through these bottoms. Too much of a flat price here for us to keep sitting here. Bottom of the 15-minute range. We got to see that snap. Amin, I swear you get insider trading info, LOL. That man reads a different language. I hope break down because NQ create more lower highs. I'm hoping too, sir. I'm hoping too, sir. Morning, Maxie. Good morning, King. Happy you're here, brother. How the charts cheating you? How these charts cheating you today, King? Because me personally, they're going a little bit sideways, a little bit teasy. Nasdaq's playing a little bit of games with us today. Got to really see us get some pressure through the bottom of this range. This should do it here. Let's go. Up 2,000 by 5. King status, Maxie. Good trading, King. Let's go. Fucking love it, bro. Another wick here at these prices is not ideal for us. We really do want to start getting some pressure from our sellers to get through this range. Don't want to keep wicking and going sideways. We got the lower high defense from the Nasdaq, so give us a little bit of a chance. Very sideways, very slow, Danny. Very boring price action right now. I have a feeling we are just going indeed in one direction. Yeah, it was well needed after that horrible day this week. That's the thing, brother. We bounced right back. We bounced right back. My buddy had a tough day Monday as well, so he's been in that same mindset. Unfortunate PA. I agree, Noah. Just sideways. Just not a whole lot going on. A little bit boring. I'm still hoping. I'm still anticipating a break at the bottom here. I still like our spot, but it's just slow. It's making us be slow. It really is. Yo, there's 40 amazing souls in here. If y'all have not yet and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 family members. And if you're not liking this video, this episode, well, I don't blame you because this Nasdaq's being a little bit boring right now. But you should totally hit that thumbsies. Let's see what we can do. See if we can get this momentum to the downside here. Nasdaq offering a decent little channel, but the buyers are being really stubborn at the bottom of these 70s. And the 70s is a decent price as well. It's his previous all-time high. And yesterday took it out, but that's what we're currently holding. I want to see us get a little defensive here. Cut through here, Nazi. Let's see the sellers get excited. Cut through here. Feels very stagnant, very still right now. Hit that fucking thumb button, too. Let's go, Saab. Tell him. You tell him, King. Come on, Nazi. Compression below the EMA is in our favor. We're wicking the bottom of the range. Just got to get a little bit of support here. A little bit of weight. Little big blacks, no wicks. Drake, yes. Come on, Noah. Summon the mans. Summon those Drake candles for us. Got to get that momentum through here. Come on, baby. Buyers are incredibly stubborn down here. I love it. To me, this is just a bunch of liquidity. To me, this is just samming a bunch of liquidity. The more people that are buying this and more people that are buying this, we're just offering lower prices. So as we start breaking through here, the only way they're gonna be able to get out is to sell, and the sell brings our price down. So that's kind of what I'm hoping to see at this point. The open gave a clean move, but no setup for me anyway, and then gave one for the long, and price action just conks out. Happening to me a lot the past few weeks. Yeah, you're not alone, King. The markets have just been like that. Just indecisive, not offering a lot of entries like yesterday, honestly. Yesterday, yes, all you had to do was buy, but the entry opportunities were fucking weak. Strong push of the 15-minute range, right? This is our 15-minute range. Push through all the way up to the 230s. Slight retracement, pull back into the 170s, and then just upside. Like, very little opportunity to actually find entries. So, you're not alone, King. Right now, the NASDAQ, holy hell, can we get a move? Boring. Boring. The suppression below the EMA is attractive. We got to get the continuation support from our sellers. Get this through the bottom of this range for the first time. Yeah, it's been shit on my strat. Luckily, I got what I needed before the longs gave out. The range started. Hell yeah. But luckily, it's been shit for the strat. Me too, King. I have not been having the easiest time entering in this market either. But thankfully, we're not paid to be correct all the time. We're just paid to make more than we lose. And that is our only job today. Can we get some suppression here? Look at us stuck at this EMA at the bottom of this range. This is a very gross chart. Can we actually get a move, NASDAQ? Please. Boring. More 75s hold great for sellers. I agree. We need the 75s to defend. We got to really get through these 50s, though, Amy. And that's the next big level here. The 75s are being defensive. I do enjoy that. But the 50s right now are being stubborn. Like, look at the wicks, man. Oh, my God. Boring. Stuck inside the 15-minute range prices. Come on, NASDAQ. This is the worst, guys. This is the trading right here. Not every day is just going to be beautiful 200 points up and down. Sometimes we got to sit through the old turmoil and just watch price be weird. Currently watching price be funky. Sellers are looking like they want it, right? They really look interested. Buyers are being stubborn at these 70s. We are completely sideways here. Oh my, gross. Completely sideways here. And usually when you get consolidation, it breaks out the way it broke in. So we broke in, sell, went completely sideways, struggling to break to the upside. I like the pressure, but we just got to get the continuation now. Size up and scale. You got to get moving. I know, Tim. I'm trying to find a better spot to get in for a second fill. Trying to find a second spot for a fill. I want to see a break of this spot, and I was going to add. I'm finally starting to get the move. Here we go. Can we sweep through here now? Finally starting to get the move. Closure below these 50s. I'm going to add a second contract. Closure below here. I'm adding a second contract. If we can get through there, though, NASDAQ. Oh, my days. Look at this ugliness. Oh, my fucking God. It's going to do it, too. Oh, every 100 points is price. And price there is zone reacting NQ to it. Like today, 20 points. 20 to 60 to the 40s. Some days 25, some days 20s. I mean, I like that. That's a strong reaction from the buyers. Super frustrating at the bottom of this range. Like, can we just please get some continuation, NASDAQ? Boring. Oh, my word. This is horrible. Actually annoying. Look at all the bids. People are getting excited. Getting their orders smashed. Oh, I love it. Through the 50s, adding a second contract. Got to see these sellers continue here. Push us through these 50s now. Pushing through the bottom of the 15-minute range. I got to see a closure. Big blacks, no wicks here. Scalp, not scale. Oh, okay. Size up and scalp. You got to get moving. Got you, king. You're not wrong. Why are we wicking this bottom? Gross. Can we get the continuation through this bottom here, Nazi? You're being really nasty. I feel like we're going to find a cliff here. The answer is just when. The answer is just when. Oh, not what I want to do. I'm selling 2 more contracts at the ZMA. I'm going to average in 2 more contracts at this EMA if we get a touch, and I'm going to adjust my break even to wherever it puts our new spot. Hopefully it's somewhere above this. This NASDAQ is treacherous right now. Agonizing, if you will. Come on, NASDAQ. God, you're awful.
Order filled.
All right. We have 3 contracts now. Break even has to be on, and we have to look for the 15. Still looking for a break of the range, sadly. Have a good chance of getting a break even here as well, unfortunately. This is the most stubborn bottom I've ever seen on the NASDAQ. This is insane. Like, what are we doing here? Fucking A, man. That zone must be TP. It's hard to break. Zone's insane, man. It will not snap. Boring. Come on, NASDAQ. Fucking boring. Still inside this 15-minute range is crazy here. Like, what are we doing down here? It's just going to snap, and it's going to snap heavy. Oh, yeah, just enough to wick us out of our 3 contracts. Love to see it. Oh, my gosh. Iceberg setting there, and it keeps refilling on bookmap. Incredibly frustrating. Like, oh my God, is this awful. Oh my word, what is this price action? I don't even know what the shape is. Like, gross. Shit, that's what it is. Exactly, newbie. It's just gross. My back testing, if my entry close to that zone and must break to hit TP, lie 80% of my trades hit stop loss. I like that, Amy. I like that knowledge there. I just can't believe we got fucking 1 tap wicked out of our move here. Why, NASDAQ? Do you treat me like this? 270 fucking 5, man? Oh my word. And now it breaks. I'm gonna lose my shit. That's so frustrating.
Order filled.
We're joining these sellers. This is a really tough entry. I don't recommend y'all doing what I just did here, but I have to be quick today. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of here. Oh, my reaction at the bottom of this range. That is actually an awful reaction. Yeah, I don't recommend y'all doing what I'm doing. I'm just trying to be quick today. Gambling, they would almost say. What I missed? No, Ty. Oh, Wani hates it. It's not our best. Like I said, I'm just trying to get this done. I was in the same trade as you, but only added 1 contract. Hit Accounts passed. I love it, the Matrix. We put our break even and got wicked out, of course. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you doing? The price action is ass today. Oh my word. Like, what are we doing here? Gross price action, family. I am not about this. Lenny, no. I agree. I love that y'all know that this is not the way to trade, because I'm simply just trying to get this day done. I got to get out of here in like 8 minutes. I have to leave in 8 minutes. Just trying to see if we could get a position here, but the NASDAQ's going to find a bid at the bottom of this range perfectly. So, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, NASDAQ. The games. Because we get top ticked out of our short. It's awful. Oh, my God. Why did we get top ticked out of that fucking short? That's so frustrating. Frustrating, guys. You can see it. See Ty go on a full tilt as well with 5 contractor, a bad trade. Well, it wasn't even a bad trade. I'm just trying to be rushed, bro. I fucking got to go to golf. I'm going to be late. And then I get fucking a top tick out of my short. I'm going to lose my shit. All right. We're buying then. Do not trade like me right now, guys. I am simply trying to pass these really quickly. And I should have already off that fucking short, and I got stop ticked by a half a point. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? So ass. This fucking game is just enough to boil you sometimes. It perfectly ticks me out. Oh. Good morning, Ryan. Sorry I didn't see that, King. Welcome in here. I took that third inducement long on paper. Blowing too many fundeds and combines, needed to get some clarity. I like that. I've blown over 200 combines if that makes you feel any better. Woo, Ty, you good, bro. Woo, Ty, you good, bro. Emotion took over. You got tea time? Yes, sir, Sal. We got a tea time, and I am going to be late because this NASDAQ's fucking with me. Look at this. 275 fill price, okay? It came up here to where is this? Literally 275.75 before dying to the 243s, and we didn't get a fill. That is so agonizing. And now the NASDAQ isn't even offering any offers back to this bid? Really? We all been there, King. No worries. I see myself watching you right now, huh? I can see myself watching you right now. It's just so upsetting. Like, why'd I just get top ticked of a fucking short that would have paid us, right? Would have just passed those accounts. Instead, we get fucking milli-whopped, what feels like. Just barely ticked. Nah, it's just frustrating as hell is what it is. NASDAQ just gave us a fill here, looking for the longs. Perfect. Beautiful. Amazing. Incredible.
Order filled.
Perfection, really. Divine timing, NASDAQ. You're incredible. You're absolutely stunning, NASDAQ. You're incredible. You're impeccable. Don't change a thing about yourself. You're perfection. Just gotta talk nice to her at this point, because I ain't got nothing nice to say to her. I've gotten 4K in payouts and spent $3,400 on Topstep. Hey, you're break even, King. No worries. That to me is a great thing. Shit, I thought 10 accounts was bad. Tyler, take off and go enjoy playing golf, King. I should too, shouldn't I? I mean, I'm about to blow these right now, so. I didn't know Tyler won traded futures. Tyler won traded futures. What's up, Little Design? I think my first time seeing you in the section, brother. Welcome in, King. Oh, nice. Sellers gonna continue through here after I'm fucking in. This game is the worst game. Why do we do this to ourselves? Why do we play this game? I'm just gonna let this bust us, y'all. You should file a lawsuit. I think Naz is targeting you. That's what it's like, right, newbie? I think that's what it's like. Yeah, just relax, bro. You still the GOAT. Yeah, y'all are the best. Yeah, I'm just gonna let these bust. Let these bust for us right here so y'all can see it. And then tomorrow, start again. It's just so fucking annoying. Like, we literally took the perfect short, had a good ad, put a decent break even on to get the fill. It goes perfectly to TP, but stops us out by a fuck. What was the exact? I got out at 6. Oh wait. 275.25, y'all.
Order filled.
These are busted. And the count and the fucking price went to 275.75. I thought by half a point that stopped us out before moving. I think you might need a brakes tie. Yeah, well, we just got it. These accounts are officially busted. We're going to have to restart tomorrow. Not the best trading there at the end after missing my short fill. And then y'all saw me try to just make it happen quickly by averaging in with more positions than we normally would. This price action right now makes me want to jump off a fucking cliff. Gross. Yeah, I'm new here, man. My boy Saab told me about learning from the best, and here I am. Saab's brought you in. Little design. Welcome, Min King. He's the man. Means the most. Sorry, this is your first impression of me here. We usually trade a lot more carefully. Like I said, we had a short. We added 2 contracts. Had our break even at 275.25. Right here, right where my line is. 275.25. Look at this. Look at this price. Okay. And price went right to that wick right here to stop us out off before this move to fill me. So then I tried to get in and made it not work. But hope you come back some more to Little Design. We can show you how to do this. Try to get better together. We're always all learning. Yeah, this is that dangerous action. It moves enough to stop you out, but no follow through. It is dangerous, Paul. GPT. I already jumped. No soft landing, though. No soft landing. Head first off a cliff. But I really appreciate you guys for being here. Everyone that stops in, y'all mean the most. You make this community fucking great. Amy, Paul, GPT, Newbie, Noah, Brandon, Lil Design, Lenny, Pablo, King Noah, PE-ness. Come on, Matrix. I really fucking appreciate you guys. Ryan, Danny. I don't think saw Pat today, but Jared. So I hope you guys have a great rest of y'all's day. Take deep breaths. Don't be like me. If you lose, it's okay. Just get that mindset correct for tomorrow, maybe for next week. We literally have forever to be successful. So be patient with yourselves. All right. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody y'all love. Have a good ass day, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hell yeah. Peace.